Let's talk about classroom sign language. I use classroom sign language as a classroom management system. Rick Morris is the creator of New Management, which is an innovative system of classroom management and student motivation. He wrote the New Management Handbook. According to Rick Morris, there are 6 core principles of effective teaching. 1. You have safe relationships with your students. Try to see things from their point of view. Run your classroom as if the parents of your students were present. 2. Your words equal your actions. When your words equal your actions, students will learn to trust what you say. 3. You are fair, firm, and consistent. Develop strategies that manifest these 3 traits. 4. You can focus your attention. Don't speak to everyone about the actions of a few. Focusing helps to maintain safe relationships. 5. Your classroom is manageable for you and your students. Break things down into simple, easy to accomplish steps. 6. Your students are problem solvers. The ability to solve a problem is a lifelong gift you can give your students. To help my students learn the signs, I display these mini posters in my classroom. The students use these hand signals to show if they have an answer, if they have a comment, if they want to be a volunteer, if they have a question, or if they need to use the restroom. If I or a student asks a question, the students use A in American Sign Language, or ASL, to show they have an answer. Close your fist by making sure your thumb sticks up. If a student has a comment, they use C in ASL to show they want to share a comment. Make sure all your fingers are pressed together and curl your thumb and 4 fingers to make the letter C, keeping a space between your fingers and thumb. If a student wants to be a volunteer, they use V in ASL. Think of the number 2 or a peace sign when using this hand signal. If a student needs to use the restroom, they show me an R in sign language. Cross your middle finger over your pointer finger, then motion your hand down. If a student has a question, they use an I in ASL for I have a question. Close your hand to make a fist and stick your pinky finger up. These hand signals help me and the students prioritize wants and needs. Students learn to participate non-verbally, and I know what to expect from the student when they raise their hand in class. Using classroom sign language has taught my 3rd graders patience, participation skills, and nonverbal communication. The use of these hand signals has promoted successful engagement and accessibility to learning.